Hello class, today I will be teaching you how to tie a tie. For step 1, you're going to begin by crossing the wide end of the tie over the narrow end. Step 2, you fold the wide end underneath the narrow end, like that. For step 3, you pass the wide end horizontally over the narrow end, again. So it should look like this. Now you take the wide end up and through the loop around your neck, like this. For step 5, you take the wide end through the knot in the front. Proceed to tighten the knot and pull it up to your collar like this. You go back through this loop and pull it tight. That is how you tie a tie.